Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So my name is Yadira. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and put your notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I know I look crazy, guys. I just came out the shower, I washed my hair, I got my pajamas, and I really wanted to do this quick little mini haul that I have and share with you guys what I have. So yeah guys, let's just get right into this video because I didn't want to take forever. So let's go. Okay guys, so I don't know if the Revolution brand had a Tim Burton line for Christmas or whenever it happened. I don't know. I don't know. I never seen it when I went to the store, so I have no clue. This is the first time I'm literally hearing about this. So I saw this and I was like, oh my, just the packaging, and I was like, I need to get that. So these are two highlighters that I got in Moonlight, Mischief, and Madness, and the other one is Misfit Love. So this one is the Moonlight, Mischief, and Madness. Is so pretty. Just the packaging alone, guys, is so pretty. And then inside, when I opened, I was like, oh no, I don't even know if I want to use it. But look how pretty that is. It's like Jack's face. That is so nice, guys. I'm like, wow, I'm gonna keep this. Next one is this one with Jack and Sally, which is so pretty. Just that alone, so pretty. I always wanted to get a tattoo of Jack and Sally, but then I was like, no, that's too much color, and I was like, no, I'm good. This is Misfit Love, and this one's a little bit more darker highlight, but it's so pretty, guys. I don't even want to swatch it because I'm just, oh my god, it's so pretty. But look how nice that is. I didn't know, guys, that Tim Burton did a line of makeup with Revolution. I didn't even know that. Like, if I did, I would have had it. Like, it's crazy, right? Okay, the next ones are these two. I think they were like stocking stuffers, if I'm not mistaken, because they have Sally and Jack. Look how pretty that is. First one is, let's do Jack. And these two lipsticks are from Colourpop. The packaging, I'm telling you guys, the packaging is the bomb. And the lipstick for Jack is so red and so pretty. It's like that ruby cherry red that is so beautiful. And just if you can see like the detail in it, I don't even want to use this. Like, it's like, wow, so pretty. But yeah, these, I gotta figure out the prices on it, guys, so you gotta bear with me when I check. I gotta look for the prices to see. One is Sally, and this is of course Colourpop. I didn't even know Colourpop. Like, are you serious? I love Colourpop. Like, what happened? Like, I didn't even know. But anyways, so Colourpop, and the packaging as well. It's so cute and sleek. I love that. This one's like a hot, beautiful pink. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. See that? And in the detail, I just love it. Like, I don't even want to use it, but it's so pretty. But I will do a makeup look, and I will use these products and show you guys. So it's a little lip gloss as well of Zero. Look at that, how cute that is. And it's just like in vanilla or something, because it smells so good. And it literally smells like vanilla. It's so pretty. So yeah, here we go. Next item that I got that is makeup is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in Vanilla. I never really use Anastasia. Look at that. I can't wait to try this powder. I really love setting powders. I just never could find like a perfect one. I like how it feels. Like, I don't know, it just feels like fluffy, translucent. I don't know, it just feels really nice. I don't know why I gotta smell everything, but yeah, I can't wait to try that. Anastasia. Three item, guys, is just like three little skincares. This Tree Hut Purifying Sugar Face Scrub is blueberry, turmeric, and AHA. It's made with 100% natural exfoliants, cruelty-free, vegan, purifies, hydrates, and smooths tired-looking skin to reveal a refreshed, radiant complexion. Alpha hydroxy acid and 100% real sugar deep cleans pores to remove dull, dead skin and impurities. Blueberry and turmeric help draw out impurities and provide boosting antioxidants for a healthy looking glow. Sorry guys. So it purifies your skin, cleanses your pores, and smooth. So I mean, you can't get better than this, guys. Like, we all want purified skin and a nice skin. And it smells so good, guys. It really smells like blueberries. Like, this is amazing. Like, I've never tried. I love the Tree Hut because I love all their face masks and stuff, so I always do that. But this is so pretty. And you can't be as cruelty-free and vegan, guys. Come on now. The next two products are from the Good Molecule. I really like this line, and I feel like I like it because it's very affordable, but it does its job. So the first one is this overnight exfoliant treatment, and it says apply a few drops to clean skin at night and fully absorb before applying other serums. Use up to 3 times per week. may cause irritation if used with retinol or other acids. So make sure you use it by itself and make sure it absorbs in your skin before you apply any other serums. Always says to make sure you put sunscreen. And it promotes brighter, fresher skin with a balanced blend of glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acids, which these are amazing, guys. All these things are good for our skin. When you use these products, use SPF on your skin, guys. This one is really nice. I like it. I like the fact glass. I don't know why, but I really love skincare that's in a glass bottle, because you can put it in the fridge for that cooling sensation. And I just like it. I just want you guys to see like the consistency. See, it's kind of watery, like watery. But it's very like hydrated. I don't know, it like kind of seeps really into the skin, and that's what you want. You want things that are going to absorb into your skin and not just not make your face feel greasy or anything like that, like oily. So I like this because it really seeps into the skin and is really smooth. See, and it absorbs so quick into the skin. To try that. Okay, the next one is, this is the retinol. So it's a gentle retinol cream formulated to soften the appearance of fine lines and help skin look firmer. And we all need that, guys, because I'm about to be 37 next week. So we all need that, guys. For sensitive or dry skin type, use up to 3 times weekly at night only. For normal or oily skin, use up to 4 times weekly at night only. Apply on cleansed skin after serums. Wear SPF daily while using this product and avoid direct eye contact. If irritated or redness occurs, discontinue use. And it tells you specifically in the packaging, use SPF, and it's only for nighttime. And make sure you guys, when you guys get skincare, make sure you know what the package says, because it's important. It'll tell you what's, you know, how to use it properly. Sometimes people don't realize that. They notice if their skin is dry or their skin is flaky, it's because they're not using certain products properly into their skincare. So either they're overdoing it with the retinol or with the salicylic acid or whatever it is that they're putting in their skin. They're overdoing it, so then your face starts to dry out and get flaky, and you see your breakouts in your skin. That's what I'm saying. It's so important to know what you are applying in your skin, especially in your face, because that's how you know when your skin starts to change and you have like reactions to certain things. Pay attention to your skin. Make sure to always drink lots and lots and lots of water, because that is the best way to keep your skin nice and clear, is to drink lots and lots of water throughout the day, which I do so much. It brightens your skin and makes your complexion look really nice and just very youthful. Also, just do your research, you know, make sure you try different things, and don't just apply different things. Don't apply like retinol and anti-aging and then exfoliants all in one day, because it can affect, all the chemicals together can have a chemical reaction, and then you wake up with your skin the next day looking breaking out. You're like, what happened? My skin wasn't like that yesterday. It's because you're applying all these different kinds of retinols and all these exfoliants all in one. Try to separate it. Try to do one night you're doing retinol, one night you're doing an exfoliant serum, or you're doing anti-aging, or you're doing collagen, whatever it is. Try to kind of expand it out throughout the week and see how your skin reacts. Start first little by little, and then you can start going crazy, because you know, have routines and change your skincare out. Also, you know, take turns. 1 week you're doing retinol, 1 week you're doing whatever it is, so you don't put so many different kind of chemicals in your face. So yeah, I really like the good molecules. It's really good. It's affordable. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. And if you have checked these products out and you've used it and it has done anything different to your skin or anything, please comment down below so I can know any tips or any ideas how you use it or how better to use it, because my skin is like combination. Sometimes I'm oily and so, on my T-zone, and sometimes I'm dry. It's just combinations, and sometimes my skin is just perfect. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to show you guys the makeup. I will do like a makeup look and then use these products. Also, I've been doing short stories or shorts on YouTube as well. I just figured that out, trying to just really expand, like really show my channel, and you know, find other people that can subscribe and really support my channel. I'm trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers this year. I really that will determine this year if I continue to stay on YouTube or not, because if I'm not seeing growth and I'm not reaching my 1,000 subscribers, and I'm literally filming and editing and putting videos that I love and enjoy, and nothing is happening, then I'm just gonna not continue to do it. So after this year, I'm just gonna see how it works, how it goes, and if there's no growth, then I'm just gonna have to say goodbye. But I really don't want to, because I really enjoy filming and uploading videos. And also, I've been doing shorts. I really like that. I didn't know that you could put little short videos. Like if you're filming a video, take a part out and put it in your shorts so it can kind of get it to other reach to other people and things like that. So I'm learning little things here and there. So I'm continuing to do that as well. I was gonna say something else to you guys. Oh, and also remember that I do videos, lifestyle, faith-based, cleaning videos, makeup and skincare, because those are the things that I'm passionate and I love. So I hope you guys enjoy my content and enjoy what I bring to the table. If you have any video that you would like to see on my channel, please leave it to me in the comments down below, and I will get to you and I will work on that. And also, I'm trying to stay true to myself. This is the things that I love and enjoy. So if you see a makeup video one day, then you see a skincare video, and then you see a lifestyle like me cleaning, or you see me, that's just what I'm trying to bring to the table. That's what I love to do, and that's what I'm going to bring. I'm being authentic to myself. So I hope you guys appreciate my authenticity and me being myself and being real. So yeah, let me not keep blabbing, because if not, I keep talking. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little mini haul. And like I always say, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials. And like I always say, God bless you.